In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows Update error problems in Windows 11. If you're struggling with Windows 11 not updating, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve this issue. So the first step that you can take is to go ahead and check your internet connection. So hover your mouse into the bottom right of your screen and click into the Wi-Fi icon. After that, click on Network and Internet Settings, and this will take you into this section. So ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as updates require a reliable network. Second thing you can do is to restart your PC. So hit on that start menu and then hit on power and then hit on restart. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve update related issues. And the third thing you can do is to go ahead and open your settings, head over to update and security, and on update and security, you need to go ahead and fix issues with the related update. Now the last thing that you can do is to go ahead and check your storage space. Windows updates require sufficient disk space, so if you don't have that much space, you need to free up space to be able to update your Windows version. So head over into the file manager. In here, go ahead and head over into that Acer PC section and click on this PC, and you'll be able to check if you have sufficient disk space to update your device to Windows 11. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe into our channel to keep updated with our latest videos.